Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. It is a beautiful day here in Chicago today, about a high 65, a little windy out. If you know me, if you know, you know, I love a good windy day. I feel energized. It's great. So, got some work today, got some things to do, but I am going to get out. I got to go to Planet Fitness, get my work on so I can look all svelte and beautiful. And then I got to get my steps in. So that's the plan for today. Along with, I got some gigs that I'm working on right now, lecture gigs. I'm hoping to get booked more for this month. We'll see. June is my big month for Pride Month. So again, if you're looking for LGBTQ+ speaker, we all need a little love and help right now in this crazy upside down world. I'm the guy to see. I speak about a variety of issues, but right now, allyship and community is the big one, and something we should all be talking about. So look me up. Right here is the URL, gregrbear.com. I appreciate it. You can reach out to me or to one of my agencies, which is letsengage.com or speakersinc.com, and you can also find me on Speakers Hub. But anyway, that's my shameless plug right now. Few things going on today. I keep a list of things I want to cook, and so I'm going to make for the first time, and you'll probably see maybe a little video on Wednesday. I'm going to do a poblano and cheese soup. I don't do a lot of cream soups and things, but I had at a restaurant, I'm notorious for this, but I had that soup at a restaurant quite some time ago, and I think it had chicken and corn in it too. So I know I'm going to add chicken in it. I don't know about the corn part, but I'm going to roast the poblanos today, which is great because tomorrow's laundry day. So anything that smells at my apartment, it'll be cleaned tomorrow. But I'm going to make that soup so you'll be able to see it. I love making soup. And again, I'll have it for some meals this week. So just need a partner, a husband to enjoy that with. So I'm still on the lookout for that, everybody. This morning I had a knock on my door. My wonderful neighbor Paula, she's so sweet, brought me an Easter basket. She put this together, so that's why you saw on the cover picture of this, I was holding an Easter basket. But yeah, she put like chips. I got Lay's potato chips, sweets. I don't know what else. Like an egg. She's crazy. There's some apples and stuff in it too. But you know what? This kind of stuff, I don't know if you do this for somebody else, but it makes a person's day. I just thought it was so thoughtful and everything. And even the peeps that are in it, the peeps are the color of the rainbow. Wow. Who wouldn't know? So yeah, thanks to Paula. She's helped me. We did some Easter baskets outside on my floor on some chairs with candy in it for everybody. And she's helped me out with that. So I appreciate her. She's a lot of fun. So Miss Paula, you're all right in my book. Thank you so much. I just want to talk about, before I check out of here and do my usual, I'll see you on Wednesday, is we all need some self-care. We all need a lot of help and love right now. And with everything being so unstable with the stock market and our bonds and our jobs and things like that, go out today, go out every day and do some self-care. We don't know how long we have on this revolving planet of ours, and there's been some loss with some friendships and partners and things lately and people I know, but just in general self-care. Go out and do something wonderful for yourself. Read a book, get out, sit by the waterfront, read a book or do something just to nourish your soul. So that's my message for today. Protect your peace and nourish your soul. We all need to do that work. Book the damn trip. If you're going to go somewhere, book the damn trip. Go with friends. Do something special for yourself. Plan the summer out. I know I'm doing that. As you know, I love to go to the Dunes Resort in Saugatuck, Douglas. It's my jam, and can't wait to see my friends Doug and JR that I stay with and just hang out. So book the trip. Get out. Go do something. Get out of your bubble. Get out of your routine. I know I get stuck in that at times and worry about what's going on in the world, but you can only control what you can control. So that's my message for today. Thank you. Love you bunches. Thanks for checking in. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. I will see you on Wednesday. I hope to have some video of my little cooking thing that I'm going to be doing today with the poblano soup. So take care. I appreciate the love and support. Subscribe, like, share, all that stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye.